Looking for true wireless earbuds for your workouts? Well, today I'll be taking a look at the Soundcore Spirit X2. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. The Spirit X2 is clearly focused with people with an active lifestyle. Let's jump right into the features. If you like bass to get you through your workouts, it has bass turbo technology. Sweat a lot? No worries, it's IP68, so you can even take them swimming if you like. You'll get 9 hours of playback time and an additional 27 hours using the charging case. 10 minutes of charging will give you 2 hours of playback. CVC 8.0 noise reduction, which will reduce the ambient noise and make your voice the loudest when on a call. And USB-C charging. Taking a look at what's inside the box, we have our charging case, the Spirit X2 buds, a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide along with Soundcore documentation, and the ear tips, which some include wings and some don't. It's a clam style case coated with a soft touch matte black finish. Now unfortunately this case isn't wireless charging capable. We have a USB-C charging port behind the protective rubber flap. This should help prevent debris from getting into the port when carrying it around in your pocket. Just to the right you have your reset button. Back on the front we have a notch to make it easier to open the case. You have LED battery level indicators, which is activated by opening the lid or pressing that reset button. Inside, you have a high gloss finish. On the earbuds, you'll find these flexible rubber ear hooks to keep them secure to your ears. On the front of the buds, you'll find 2 control buttons. When inserting them into the charging case, they're held in securely by magnets. The lid isn't spring-loaded, so depending on the angle that you're holding at, it might just close on you. The controls took a little while to get used to, as it's located on the front, and the volume controls are located on separate buds. This becomes really inconvenient when you're running it in mono mode, as you'll only have the volume option that's located directly on the bud. It would have been nice if they gave us some application support. That way we could have programmed some of the button actions to our liking. But you still have all the control options directly on the bud, toggling the EQ settings, track skip functions, play, pause, pickup, and activating your voice assistant. To pair them to your device, it's really simple. Open the case, then head into your Bluetooth settings and look for the Soundcore Spirit X2. Once you pair them for the first time, it will remember your connection and reconnect automatically once you open the case. These aren't multi-point buds, so you'll only be able to use them with one device at a time. When it came to the listening experience, the X2 did a great job in my opinion. The sound isolation was on point, blocking out most of the background noise. And the mids and the highs sounded crisp and didn't get drowned out by the lows. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have app support, so you won't be able to customize the sound experience. But you do have 2 EQ settings to choose from, normal and bass up. The Bluetooth connection was reliable and I didn't experience any disconnects. I was even able to reach a distance of 53 feet from my phone before the sound started getting choppy. And when I paired it with my Nvidia Shield, I didn't notice any latency when watching movies. I'm going to be taking you through the microphone quality test to see how well it does at boosting my voice, as well as reducing the ambient noise in the background. As you can see, I am driving and I have the window down and there's quite a bit of traffic on the road. So let me know what you think of the quality in the comments down below. They're lightweight and comfortable, and what I also liked is that they fit nicely around my ears. During my exercise routine, they stayed securely in place, and I never felt like they were going to fall off. Now I did find after using them for a full 8 hours during my workday, that my ears started getting sore around where the ear tips would sit. When it came to the battery, it did a really good job. I was able to get 8 hours of runtime off of both earbuds. And when running them individually, I was able to get over 9 hours. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.